Welcome to our video on the 5 key rules of money management. In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances is crucial for achieving financial freedom and securing your future. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or investing for the future, it can be challenging to know where to start. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 rules that are essential for taking control of your finances and achieving your financial goals. These practical and actionable tips will help you to create a solid plan and stay on track towards financial success. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and achieve your financial dreams, keep watching. Rule number 1: create a budget. The first rule of money management is to create a budget. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money each month. By creating a budget, you can identify areas where you are overspending and make adjustments to your spending habits. It's important to track your income and expenses and to stick to your budget as much as possible. Rule number 2: live below your means. The second rule of money management is to live below your means. This means spending less than you earn and saving the rest. It's important to understand your spending habits and to cut back on unnecessary expenses. This could include things like dining out less, cutting back on entertainment expenses, or downsizing your living space. By living below your means, you'll be able to save more money and invest it for your future. Rule number 3: pay off debt. The third rule of money management is to pay off debt. High levels of debt can make it difficult to save money and invest for the future. Therefore, it's important to focus on paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card debt and personal loans, as soon as possible. This can be done by creating a budget, cutting expenses, and increasing your income. Rule number 4: invest in your future. The fourth rule of money management is to invest in your future. This means setting aside money each month for things like retirement, your children's education, or an emergency fund. It's important to have a clear understanding of your financial goals and to invest in a variety of assets that align with those goals. Rule number 5: review and adjust your plan regularly. The fifth and final rule of money management is to review and adjust your plan regularly. Achieving financial success is a long-term process, and it's important to continuously track your progress and make adjustments as needed. It's important to review your budget and expenses regularly and make adjustments to reduce expenses or increase income. Additionally, it's important to regularly review your investments and make sure they align with your goals and risk tolerance. By reviewing and adjusting your plan regularly, you can ensure that you are on track to achieving your financial goals. Conclusion: managing your money can be a daunting task, but by following these 5 key rules, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. By following these rules, you can work towards achieving financial freedom and living the life you've always wanted. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey to financial success.